Hey everybody, this is Fulio of Echale Porras Productions, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make some fish and shrimp tacos. Let's start off with our dredge. We are going to be using 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of milk, 1/3 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 eggs. We're then going to take all our dry ingredients and mix them together. So our flour, garlic salt, garlic powder, pepper, and baking powder. We'll mix that together, and then we'll move on to our wet ingredients. So we'll add the oil to the milk, whisk that around a bit, and then start adding our mustard and both our eggs. We'll give that a mix. Once you have your wet and dry ingredients ready, you'll put your dry ingredients into a bowl and slowly mix in your wet ingredients while whisking them together. Let's move on to our proteins. Today we are going to be using some tilapia and large shrimp. You're going to want to cut your tilapia into strips about 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide and 2 inches long. You'll then add it to your batter along with your large shrimp. And once you've mixed them, we're gonna put them aside to rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And in that time, we're gonna be mixing up our toppings, which includes a pico de gallo. To that, we're also gonna be making a crema mixture that's 1 part mayo to 1 part crema salvadoreña. To add some additional crunch to our tacos, we'll be adding some coleslaw mix, which is just cabbage and carrots. So you want to bring up your oil to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry your fish and shrimp in batches for 3 to 5 minutes. Once they're golden brown, you'll take them out of the oil, let them rest, and we can assemble our tacos. So now, the fun part. You are gonna get your tortilla and place some of the crema mixture along the bottom. You'll then get 1 to 2 pieces of fish or shrimp, however much you want. Add some coleslaw, some pico de gallo, and top it off with your favorite hot sauce. Here we're using tapatio. Make your tacos however you want. Fill them to your heart's content if you want to use different tortillas. If you want to make a fish and shrimp burrito, go right ahead. There's no wrong answers here. Go wild. And here they are. Fish and shrimp tacos made by Mami Echale Porras. The best. Let's try them out. And for this part, we're gonna bring Crazy Woo! Crazy Woo of Echale Porras. Let's do this. Which one are you gonna try? Which one am I gonna try? And I'll try shrimp.
Thank you, Mami Echale Porras, the best tacos in Paris, California.
Mm-hmm. 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 As I usually say, my mom makes some good shit.
Amen.
Those are delicious. We hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. And if you want to keep up with what we're going to make next, hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit the little bell next to it. We'll see you next time. As always, stay safe, stay awesome. Peace.